Hello students, today I want to demonstrate propagation of wave. What is wave? It is energy carrier. Means if we want to transfer energy from one position to another position, we can transfer through wave. Okay, so to demonstrate it, we have a coil spring. This is called coil spring. It contains so many rings. You can see. And suppose this is the axis of this spring. This whole straight line is an axis of a spring. This spring is held by me, and this spring and another end is held by my friend Mr. Ravi Ranjan. Actually, I'll disturb it from my end, and another end is fixed. Okay, so in this video, I'll demonstrate wave propagation by showing you a wave pulse, continuous wave, and in continuous wave, I'll explain transverse wave and longitudinal wave. So see, if this is the axis of a spring and these rings are the particles through which energy is transferred from this position, from this end to that end. Okay? So students, without any disturbance, each ring that is considered to be a particle is at the mean position. Now, we are considering it on its mean position. Now see, I am disturbing it and creating a pulse. See students, this is a pulse. This is a pulse, a single disturbance. This is a pulse. So you can see a single disturbance. I had disturbed at this end and it is moving to that end and back and forth, and because of friction the motion is shuts off. Now see, again see the pulse like this. You can see this pulse. This pulse is moving back and forth and finally diminishes. Now see, if I want to show you continuous wave, you can see here. You can see this is continuous wave. This is continuous wave. This is continuous wave. Now which type of wave is this? This is transverse wave. Now why it is called transverse wave? Because each particle is moving perpendicular to this axis. If this is the axis, then each particle is moving perpendicular to this axis. You can see here. See, this is transverse wave. Now, if I'm showing longitudinal wave, you can see the disturbance in longitudinal wave is along the axis, and you can see I am giving you the demonstration. So this is This is what longitudinal wave. Okay, so you can see in longitudinal wave there are compression and rarefaction. Compression and rarefaction. Compression and rarefaction. You can see. Okay, and you can see in transverse wave there are crust and trough. Yes, you can see there are crust and trough. You see, yes, you can see here crust and trough. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you now. Thank you.